I missed the push with Maverick, 22-foot Hellcat, two 154-stroke Suzuki's on the back. I was playing with Bardet. Yeah, the favorite beach. Maverick, the flagship of Maverick Charter fishing charters. But Stella, the one that everybody knows by now. It's a bit ugly here. The way set's coming through is big. The water is still a little bit shallow, although it has formed the channel now with the incoming tide, giving the skipper's place to hide away from the sets. But still a difficult launch. Johanna's gonna come back and try and do the 45 to the south, but I doubt it. I think they're gonna have to run north. Parallel to these seats, dangerous to do that, very dangerous to do that, but it's the only way I can see them getting through these big sets. I don't think it's a good idea to run across the sandbank. It looks very, very shallow to me. Look at that big one. That's a 6-footer coming behind that 4-footer. Look at that big one, look. That slam dunks about very, very quickly. I believe somebody said the sets is 7 seconds today, which doesn't give a boat much chance to turn once it's in the mid-break, once it's amongst the sets. 11 seconds is what you need to be able to turn comfortably. But even on 11 seconds, some skippers get it wrong. And then we do hull inspection. It's massive ones. Yeah, that motor's buying airtime there. Exciting launch today, Johan, by a donkey. We might get some views on this video. Very excited launch. The grey boat against the white foam is very, very impressive. Because I cannot figure out how he's going to get through the sets on the sandbank. I'm not even going to try and narrate. I'm just going to stumble over my words. Look at that big one. Yes, that's a 7-footer any day. Okay, it was a 7-footer, now it's just white foam. the keyboard skippers that's trying to teach me on what I see on the camera always amazes me. Johankie found a gap, but it's not a nice gap. It's big wave standing up on his shoulder, but he's outrunning it. Where the hell is he now? There he is. Well done. Happy hunting. It's a friend's outing today, so happy hunting. Enjoy the day. That's 5-star 660 Bobcat 2100 4-stroke Suzuki's being pushed. Barent for star charter fishing operation. Even he showed me this morning when he drove past that the waves is big and the sets are turmoil. The hand signals was very clear. What Wiseman showed me is the ocean is upset. So with the incoming tide it will calm down a lot. But this type of white water washing into the estuary mouth, I'll go and show you guys now, washes a lot of sediment into the estuary mouth. We will go and have a look now. But it's only the best of the best that can launch today. And if this condition doesn't change by month end, we're gonna have a couple of viral videos. Month end is the queen of the ocean. And then the skippers that's flustering on where's the control, what is trimmed out, what motor is running, what motor is not trimmed down and not running, or trimmed up and running, and what motor is trimmed down and not running. If they can't figure that out on their gauges, we're gonna do all inspection. Look at that white foamy what Barent is turning away from. Very skillfully. But for a novice skipper, that's a very dangerous maneuver. And this morning, quite a few has been executed. If we see how Maverick did the launch sequence. Massive zest washing through yet. Oh, they're up to 7 feet. I believe that the swell is going to reach 4 meters today, sometime today. I'm not sure if it's going to happen. The cloud formation tells me there might be some wind that is going to blow from the ocean inwards, but that's difficult to say. Barent doing a 3-point turn there. That means he's reversing, turning the vessel's nose in the other direction. I'm pretty confident, yeah, but the waves up north is even bigger. But there's more distance between the sets. Yeah, the sets is very close together. After 14 minutes one morning I saw Barent turn around and come home and say it's not worth the launch. And similar conditions. The ocean is never the same, so you can't say same conditions. I will call it similar conditions. Look at that one coming through there. You can't see the white. And that one coming through there. This is massive and powerful waves. Massive and powerful. That's all I can report on. Up and over. Up and over. What's he gonna do with that big one in front of him? He's gonna challenge that white water. Yo, look at the power of that wave. And right behind it there's another one. He found the gap. Well done, Barent. Very experienced skipper that showed there. Yo, he's standing sideways in front of a very, very, very big one. He has to run more north. Woo, it looks like Hawaii surfing conditions there. I know you can't see it, it's in the mist, but that is ugly one that is chasing him into the gully. That is where you don't want to be. He should have turned north and outrun it. He's coming back into the gully. Let me just see if I can pick him up again. There he's coming out of the mist. That's where you don't want to be. That's when that happens. Now they big sets that he has to face. Oh my lordy me. Oh, look at it. We're doing hull inspection here from the side. And the boat's not even upside down yet. Yes, there's another big one on his shoulder there. It's coming all the way back. The ones in the gullies are too big. Yo! It's coming all the way back to the channel. Six minutes into the launch. My tummy is knots. Barend is still very relaxed. I know when Barend gets nervous, he's not nervous at all at this moment. He's enjoying riding boat this morning. Normally when Barend gets tense, he pulls on his pants when he waits for the sets like that. And then 2 minutes later he will come back and say, nope, I'm not going to sea. The moment he's still very, very, very relaxed. He's looking for the gap here. I think he found a perfect gap. If it doesn't close up, if he comes 45 to the south now, he's got a perfect launch. Ah, he got it east. He got it east. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. That's wave dancer being pushed. .930 Butcat with two 200 4-stroke Yamahas on outmounts. Leon Stein the skipper. He'll probably pull his signature move here today and just run 58 kilometers per hour north. I won't recommend it to other novice skippers to try it. For some reason Leon has got the timing right and he's got the nerve to pull it off. He's running for the sandbank, but it's closing up in front of him. I don't think he's going to be able to make a crossing there. There's a big set closing up on the sandbar. He's turning north. He's turning away from the big sets. Oh, beautiful sunrise. Just have a look at that. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Turning away from it again. He's got a gap on his shoulder there, but it's just closing up on him. He's running into the difficult zone there. He has to turn away from that. I don't know if the water is deep enough there. There's no shuddering on the motors. He's gonna have a comfortable turnaround. Yo! Some nice hull inspection there for Wave Dancer. Yes. Those are the ones that flip the novice keepers. Let me just put you in the picture of what, now I can't see in the camera what he's facing, there's too much mist. Yes, that's going to be, okay, he got over it nicely. He got this cap that I saddle that I couldn't see from the side. Big one on his shoulder. He's turning into it. Yo! Using the size of the butt cat to get through that gap. Well done, Leon. Happy hunting, enjoy the day.